媽咪淨係食啊嗰隻之嘛。嚇？你買嗰隻圓圓嗰隻唔好食㗎，我食過嚟，攞俾阿麗莎食咗佢第日。嚇？我唔中意食嗰隻嘅喎。都冇喎。雖然俾我抌咗。邊包糖啊？圓嗰隻紅色粉紅色嗰隻啊。嚇？阿媽食嗰啲有可樂啊，有乜？佢而家阻住喎。係咧。兩個唔肯。係啊。兩個唔肯，佢黐線嘅真係，傻傻地嘅真係。咩？咁都得啊？行咁埋去做咩咧？人哋嗰個人一褪咪死火。啊，係啊。呢個人咧爬頭啊，應該俾佢爬頭嘅。黑色嗰個啱定紅色嗰個啱？嚇？黑色嗰個啱。黑色嗰個人啱，紅色嗰個人唔啱。係咯，咪有交打咯呢啲咯。一個人又唔讓，兩個人又唔讓，咪一齊有得打咯。嚇？如果兩個都唔讓，咪有得打咯。我跟佢哋咪衰，咪咯，衰嘅。
What it actually was is someone overtook me on the slip road. On the way, yeah, at the cop dock.
They didn't. I watched you go down the side, which is fine because it is 2 lanes at that point, and I saw you fly yourself down the side of the slip road and then push yourself in front of traffic.
Yeah.
So they didn't overtake you on the slip road. I watched you. I've been behind you. I sat at the I was at the traffic lights. I went through and I saw you in front. That's what brought my attention initially because I could see how fast you're going down the slip road. I know it's 2 lanes.
Oh, not that slip road. The one before that. The one at cop dock.
Yeah, the cop dock. The on slip. Yeah. Yeah, you joined the on slip. No, they didn't. You were in lane 2, so there's 2 lanes and it goes into 1 and you filter. I've seen you go down at some speeds to try and.
Well, he got in the wrong lane, not the one to turn left.
There's 2. You can go 2 lanes. So at cop dock, there's 3 lanes, isn't there? 2 to go straight, and 1 to go around. So you can go. So the far left lane is for straight over. Then there's the second lane. You can go straight over or go round to go to A12. Same with the third lane. Yes.
Well, no, right.
No, there's 2 lanes. 2 lanes go down the slip road that you went on.
Oh right.
Yeah, so he hasn't cut in front of you, but I've watched your car go down on the slip road. There's 2 lanes and it merges into one. As you come down the slope, it merges into 1 lane. I've watched you go past those cars because you want to get in front of them. I've watched you then push yourself in. You've made all the cars brake because you've pushed yourself in rather than just indicating and moving yourself over and making it an attention, which is what's raised my suspicion.